Okay, my name is Aubrey Adams. I'm in Pueblo, Colorado. We're here with a teachers' strike. The teachers are not being supported and paid what they deserve. Our students are not being supported. Our schools are not being supported. I'm here with
Pete Judisha.
Okay, and you're a teacher?
I'm a parent of 2 teachers.
Okay, wonderful. And you're here supporting this strike.
I'm here supporting the strike.
And I'm here talking about the costs of legalized marijuana. What are some of the negative impacts you've seen about marijuana in Pueblo or in our schools?
One of the problems that we've seen with is a lot of the students are being basically they don't have any of their supplies or anything because their parents are using for marijuana. We've also, my daughter had a child that they were doing an illegal marijuana grow, and they wouldn't even let them take a bath. They wouldn't let them drink water unless it was out of a bottle because they wanted to use all the water for marijuana.
Oh my God!
And we've also, I've been a minister for many years. I was a jail chaplain, and I've watched what drugs have done to especially women, and women get into really attacks to their body very quickly, and young men, to watch what they'll do is unbelievable. And we're seeing more and more of it. And if you look at the homeless on the streets, most of them are for the drugs.
Yes, and marijuana is included in those drugs.
Without a doubt.
Yeah, and that they try to say it's not, but it is. And so would you recommend to other communities to legalize marijuana?
No, I would not.
Yes, thank you, sir. This is the heart of Pueblo. Let me see your sign. And I would say the same, that goes to the same with drugs, right? You become a slave to drugs, right?
Yeah, not a bond slave, a slave.
A slave, yes, yeah.
Totally different.
Is there anything else you'd like to add? Or?
We made a mistake when we voted for marijuana. We were sold a bill of goods. Well, we're going to have all this extra money and people are using it anyway. And it hasn't turned out that way at all. We were totally lied to.
We're just increasing the drug prices.
That's all we're doing.
Yeah, thank you, sir.